Local news for Wednesday the 27th of March. The first mainstream food product containing hemp seed is on supermarket shelves, launched by one of New Zealand's leading bread manufacturers, Wairarapa-based Breadcraft, under its new brand Rebel Bakehouse. Chris Peterson from Rebel Bakehouse says they've developed the new product range in response to growing customer demand for healthier and more sustainable food options. The body of missing man Andrew Rance, last seen in Gladstone around midnight on Saturday, has been located. Emergency services were called to where a car was in a culvert, and the 21-year-old's body was also found. House of Travel Masterton have picked up the best small performing outlet at the House of Travel Awards last weekend. And in sport, Wairarapa United will kick off their Central League campaign this coming Saturday, 5 o'clock at Trust House Memorial Park, taking on Wellington Olympic.